Hi everybody. Sorry I'm eating, I'm starving. While we're in this shit, here's a little reminder. A lot of people don't realize the stuff that you can actually freeze. We're buying all these groceries in bulk, and if you cook on the norm, you know the things you can freeze. But if you don't always cook, and now you're forced to, here's a little reminder. Obviously, you can freeze all your meats. Beef, chicken, pork, you can freeze fish. Your breads are obvious. Freeze butter, you can freeze herbs, put them in a Tupperware. You can buy a bunch of fresh herbs, just put them in a Tupperware. Your breads, double wrap. Your meats too. Your Reynolds wrap, get like the heavy duty aluminum foil. Whatever you have now, that's fucking I Am Legend outside. But heavy duty aluminum foil, and wrap it twice and tightly. It'll stay better. There's all other kinds of stuff. Obviously vegetables you can freeze, but frozen vegetables, the companies do a great job. Fruits, you can freeze fruit. It's not going to thaw the same, but you can still eat it. You can freeze full meals. You can make a lasagna. You can make a chili. Wrap the whole thing up in a Pyrex or whatever. Freeze it. You can thaw it out the day later. And here's the one that a lot of people know. You can freeze milk. Some Italians freeze milk, but you can freeze milk. Really, the only thing is, even if you freeze it a week before the due date, if you leave it a month and you thaw it out, you're drinking that milk on borrowed time. That's zombie milk. You got a day or two to consume the whole thing. Don't go chugging, out of nowhere, because then you forget, really. It stays in your mind. You're like, oh, I have that milk. Zombie milk. You go chugging World War Z milk, it's going to come out just as fast as it went in. So just remind yourself. But little tips in this shit that we're in. Be careful. Be safe. Happy cooking.